Thank you, Kathy. It was a kind review. Appreciate working with you. Look forward to working with you down the road. Great company to work with. Held up to all the promises they said. No upfront fees, didn't have to pay for an appraisal, had loan finished and closed within 30 days. My shout out to Bryan Agee with my loan. He helped me on getting my forms and documents needed. I'm not tech savvy and he helped me walk through the whole process. Thank you, Bryan. Highly recommended. I remember Kathy calling in. She at the time she was working with a debt consolidation company, like a fly-by-night place that she probably found online. Was going absolutely nowhere. In the interim, her credit scores were tanking, okay? She'd been turned down from a numerous banks, so she was pretty hesitant to even take the conversation with us, but she did anyway. Thankfully, we were able to get her scores up in a timely manner. Like she said, still closed in 30 days, and I tell you what, at the end of the day, she was thankful and probably the most grateful person that we've worked with in the last, 24 months. So that said, I mean, it was good to get her away from people that were really doing her an injustice, just get her onto a fresh start. We have some credit partners that like I said, we partner with, and they give us some advice in terms of how we can move some credit balances around on certain people's credit reports, and in turn, kind of just increase their credit scores, maybe pay off small credit cards or something, but in turn, if you do that, you can get a boost in score, and that's what really happened for her.